I know a lot of homes.
That's going to kick your power head on. On this side, you have your pedal release. So I'll go ahead and drop that down. I'm going to go ahead and get the right height here for myself. And then we're going to go ahead, since this carpet is really low, it's kind of like a commercial carpet, I'm going to go ahead and drop that all the way down. And then you guys can kind of just see, as soon as we start getting up to the pet hair, it's just kind of like sucking it right into the machine. And you can see just how well that picks up all your pet hair there. All right, now we're going to move on to the second pile and just show you how well it picks up the sandy, gritty dirt. And again, you can just see it being sucked into the machine. And within 1 to 2 swipes, everything's picked up. Now, you can see the LED light on here. Now, when I flip this button, you'll notice you hear the sound. You'll see the light go off. That's going to be for your hardwood floors. You can simply roll this over. This is swivel technology. It does lay down completely flat, so if you want to be able, if you're somebody that has a hard time getting under your bed, your furniture, things like that, this is a great investment to be able to get under all that kind of stuff. And favorite thing about canister vacuums,
power head needs a belt. Quick release. Nice soft brush roll would be great for Berber. Does a decent job for a flat belt power head.